Welcome you all. Myself Nagarajan RV, Assistant Professor in the Department of ECE, Rogini College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, we will see about the security services and mechanism of networks and security. After completion of this course, the student will be able to explain the security and also explain the service mechanism what are done in the security. Let us see the security services. So already we discussed that is architecture of X.800 defines a security services as a service provided by the protocol layer of a communicating open system which ensures adequate security of the systems or of data transfers. X.800 divides these services into 5 categories and 14 specific services. First one is a authentication, who created or sent the data. Second one is a access control or availability, prevent misuse of resources. Third one is a confidentiality, that is a privacy. And fourth one is a integrity, that it has not been altered. And fifth one is a non-repudiation. The order is final. So first let us see the one by one, that is the authentication. So authentication means assurance that communicating entity is the one that it claims to be. The process of providing one identity. Peer entity authentication is nothing but it is used in the association with a logical connection to provide confidence in the identity of the entities connected. The data origin authentication in a connectionless transfer provides assurance that the source of received data is as. Next one is a access control, availability of data, prevention of the unauthorized use of your resources. And next one is a data confidentiality, protection of data from unauthorized disclosure. This is also a privacy. Privacy means that is ensuring that no one can read the message except the intended receiver. And next one is a connection confidentiality, the protection of all user data on a connection. Connectionless confidentiality, the protection of all user data in a single data block. Selective field confidentiality, the confidentiality of selected fields within the user of data on a connections or in a single data block. Traffic flow confidentiality, the protection of information that might be derived from observation of traffic flow. So, model of network security, it is nothing but it is a message is to be transferred from one party to another across some sort of internet. The two parties who are principal in this transaction must be cooperate for the exchange to take place. So already we discussed that is a cryptography means we need to write something in hide the messages. So let us see the model of network security in graphically, that is in figure. So here, that is a sender will send a message to the receiver. Okay. So center, it is a securely need is converted into a some form, that is a secure messages. This secure messages in the center side, it is a converted into a original form, that is a message. This is a secret information to add together in the original message to convert a some form. So this is a cryptography. So the trusted third party know the message, original messages. So in security mechanism, so in previous we discussed that is a security services. Now let us see the security mechanism. So security mechanism, a security mechanism means to provide a service, encryption, cryptographic protocols. Specific security mechanism may be incorporated into the appropriate protocol layer in order to provide some of the OSI security services. And next, encipherment, the use of the mathematical algorithm to transfer data into a form of that is not readily intelligible. The transformation and subsequent recovery of the data depend on a algorithm and 0 or more encryption keys. Digital signature, data appended to or a cryptographic transformation of a data unit that allows a recipient of the data unit to prove the source and integrity of the data unit and protect against forgery. Example by the recipient. And in the security mechanism there is access control, a variety of mechanism that enforces access rights to resources, data integrity, the variety of mechanisms used to assure that integrity of data unit or stream of data units. So these are the under the security mechanism. And next one is a authentication exchange, a mechanism intended to ensure the identity of entity by means of a information exchange. And traffic padding, the insertion of bits into gaps in a data stream for future traffic analysis attempts. Routing control enables selection of particular physically secure routes for certain data and allows routing changes, especially when a breach of security is suspected. Notarization, the use of the trusted third party to assure certain properties of a data exchange. And I hope that all of you understood about the services and mechanisms of security. Thank you, dear students.